Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating and backing up so nothing is lost. Once done, open the app library and tap Recently Added to reveal apps installed in the past 30 days. Make sure you identify which apps you want removed from the device entirely versus those you want to keep but hide. You're preparing so subsequent steps are deliberate. This prevents accidental deletions and ensures you understand that Recently Added reflects installation date, not a removable folder. Now remove the apps that should no longer appear. Long press an app icon in Recently Added, tap Delete App, and confirm. Deleting removes the app from your device and from the Recently Added list because its installation record is gone. If you want to conserve data but keep settings, choose Offload App instead. Note offloading preserves the entry so Recently Added may still show it. Use Delete for permanent removal and repeat for each app you want cleared. Finish by restarting your iPhone to force the app library to refresh. Once done, verify Recently Added no longer lists deleted apps. If an app still appears, make sure it wasn't reinstalled from purchases or re-enabled via family sharing, and check that offloaded apps weren't mistaken for deleted ones. If problems persist, sign out of the App Store, restart the device, then sign back in. This clears cached installation metadata and typically
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.